Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a tail light for a Ford Escape. First, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and your new tail light assembly. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set for safety. Then, open your rear hatch to easily reach the two screws holding the tail light in place. This simple preparation makes the whole process much smoother. Now, with your screwdriver, carefully remove the two Phillips head screws that hold the tail light assembly to the vehicle body. Once those are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back. It might feel a little snug, but avoid prying it. Finally, twist each light bulb socket counterclockwise to remove them from the old housing. With the old assembly removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully insert each light bulb socket into its corresponding opening on the new tail light assembly, twisting clockwise to secure them. Next, align the new assembly with the mounting holes on your Ford Escape. Gently push it firmly into place until it sits flush, then reinsert and tighten the two Phillips head screws. Before you're all done, turn on your vehicle and test all the tail light functions. Check your brake lights, reverse lights, and turn signals to ensure everything is working correctly. Also, double-check that the new tail light assembly is securely fastened and properly sealed against the vehicle body to prevent moisture entry. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.